Hey everyone, welcome to this week's weekly tip. This week I'm going to be talking to you about LastPass. LastPass is probably my biggest lifesaver and cure of headaches everywhere. Why? Because it remembers all my passwords, like literally all my passwords, and not just mine, but my clients' passwords as well. So obviously, as someone who designs websites, I get tons of passwords from clients whenever I'm doing a site for them, and I do a decent amount of sites per year, so that's a decent amount of passwords that I have to remember. So having it in LastPass is a little bit more secure than having it in something like a Google spreadsheet or an Excel document. Plus, what it does is I have this little extension right here, so whenever I need to log in, it'll show me. So for example, if I'm logging into Corporate Rescue Plan, that's one that always makes me log in. This one right here, this is one of the monthly groups that I have. So whenever I want to log in, I just click right here, show matching sites, and bam, my username and password is in, and I can go ahead and log in. Ta-da! I have no idea what this password is, by the way. I don't even remember what it was when I said it. But thankfully, LastPass does for me. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my LastPass just so you can see a little bit about how it looks. I think I'm already logged in. No, they want me to log in. Okay, so it does not remember my LastPass. One. So now it's taking me to my vault. This is all my passwords. And I don't even know, there's over 650 passwords on here. That's insane, absolutely insane. I'm sure there's a lot of stuff on here I don't even need to know. But let's say I wanna know my password for Instagram, for example. What I can do is go ahead and search it, and here it is. And I can either launch it right from here, and they wanna know your master password. That's like you can't do anything without that, so. Okay, so this is something else. But here we go. So what I can also do is I can share it with someone. So I can send it to someone else and let them view the password. So let's say one of my clients needs to send me a password. They can send it right here through LastPass. So much easier. And I can also edit it here. And what this will let me do is that it'll actually show me the password if I ever want to see it. Oh, you know, my password, I think I've changed it by now anyway. So what I can do in here is see what the actual password is. So let's say I'm trying to sign in on my phone, instead of on my computer, I can quick see the password and I'm good to go. It fills everything in for me, and it's really, really secure. They have this security thing. They can show my score. They can tell me how secure my passwords are. It essentially, oh, I really like my master one. It essentially takes care of making sure that my logins aren't going to be hacked or anything like that. So it's really 907 sites. Wow, that's crazy. Okay. My master password isn't good because it already shows up in other ones. Continue. So there's some passwords that they want me to change, some that need to keep going, so on and so forth. So these are definitely ones that I can take a look at and change passwords if I need to. Again, they're not all my passwords, and they're my clients. So that's a little bit about LastPass. And again, it's so super easy when I need to sign anywhere, especially for websites. Like I can't even tell you if I go to, what's another a good one? Hello. Yeah, website school. I don't remember the logins to my own websites. So this is a really easy way for me to just go ahead and quick, bam, logged in. I'm sure there's going to be tons of updates that need to be done on here. I don't even want to look. I'm scared. Yeah, 14 updates. That's crazy. So there's a lot of different things you can do with LastPass. If you're someone who has trouble with passwords, or you're just looking for a more secure way to keep your password saved, I would definitely recommend signing up for LastPass. This is a completely free account. I don't even have the upgraded one. And like you saw, I have over 900 passwords in here. I think I need to edit some of these too. So that's a little bit about LastPass. If you have any questions, just let me know. See you guys later. Bye.